Hey Sagittarius, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. So Sagittarius, I'm seeing that for some of you guys, it's like you have a lot of love to give. You guys have such a huge heart, and I feel like you guys are just ready to just give. You know, give all of that. You want to give, but you also want to receive, right? So I feel like Spirit is saying you guys have to make the effort to put yourself out there if you want love to come in, because they're saying it is safe for you to love, and they want you to stay optimistic about your love life. All right. So, for others of you, I feel like there is somebody that thinks about you 24/7, right? But they need to make the effort to approach you. They want you to know it is safe for you to love them. Like, if they come back towards you, they're not going to play any games. They're hoping that you're staying optimistic about being with them, but I'm just getting this energy where they're afraid it's a wrap, okay? But let's see. Let's see. All right, Sagittarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm seeing the Knight of Wands reverse. I told you, it's like every time somebody wants to say something to you, they don't. They don't say anything. See, they're not positive about you. They're avoiding a tower moment. Somebody's avoiding a tower moment. Let's see, clarify the tower. Okay, so either someone is in some type of family situation that they need to get out of, or this is them knowing that they want to have a family with you. You're their wish fulfillment, but they're avoiding going through some type of change. See, they want things to improve with you, but they're not putting in the work. I told you. See, they want to move forward and build with you. That's why they're saying they need to make the effort, but they're not moving forward just yet. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. They're back and forth with Judgment. They need to make a decision. And they need to get out of their head, which they will. Oh, Lord, they're still in their head. Okay. It's like they want to give you this offer to have a new beginning, but at the same time, they feel like if they give you this offer, you're going to turn them down, then it's not going to happen. Yep, I told you. Every time they want to say something to you, they don't. This person was very inconsistent. Kept running in and out of your life. And it's like they want to turn things around, but at the same time, they're afraid it's not going to happen. See? They need to remove themselves. Basically, they need to get out of their head, okay? I'm trying not to say they need to grab their balls, because I'm trying my best, okay, to behave today. But yeah, this person, they need to get out of their head. They need to make a move, right? They need to get out of, this toxic situation that they're in. But somebody, could be dealing with a Capricorn. But I feel like this person is afraid of what you're going to say to them. You're not playing with them. No nonsense. See? And there's another woman. It's you and someone else. This is why they're not positive about what you're going to say to them. How you're going to react. See? Now they're upset because they want happiness with you. But there's somebody else here that they try to move forward with and try to have happiness with. Maybe they have a child or children with them. Clarify. And they had you waiting, but they don't want you to wait around anymore because, see, look, they want a new beginning with you. They're making plans to come and speak their truth to you. But right now, they're having a hard time, and this is why they're not saying anything. They don't want you to walk away. Let me see, what's this? But they're going to have to move fast. They're going to have to move fast. But see, right now, it's like they're stuck trying to make this final call. Like, they're stuck. Look at that. All talk, no action. They're worried about giving you the Ace of Cups. This is the offer that you deserve. You should have received a long time ago. They don't even know how to approach you at this point, what to say. Y'all have been shutting them down. See, I told you, there's an offer, but they keep thinking about the past. Maybe this family situation. Didn't I just say there's an offer? So this person is coming in. Like, they're coming in. They're going to give you an offer. But they're saying that they're having a hard time doing it because, see, you put in the work in the relationship. It wasn't right. They didn't treat you right. And so now, some of you guys could be dealing with a Libra, but I'm seeing somebody's going through possibly a legal situation, or they're trying to get out of a contract because they're trying to break free from someone. They're trying to get away from someone. And that's why they're not taking a leap with you just yet. See? It's like this person here, they know that they stabbed you in the back. They broke your heart because of this third-party situation. But see, I'm telling you, somebody has having to go through something legal in order to free themselves. So there is definitely a legal situation going on. And you know what? I'm not going to lie. I've been picking that up for a couple of different signs here. And now it's like, you know, with the coronavirus, you know, it was like a halt. You know, it's like a lot of legal action was supposed to be taken months ago. But because everything has been, you know, going on with COVID-19, it's like it put a stop to it. You know, things were just moving really slow. Now, things are picking up because this person for you, they're getting ready to get out of this situation. See, I'm seeing communication coming in. This person's going to apologize to you, you know, and I'm seeing that they're getting out of, yeah, I'm telling you, they're going to get out of this energy of feeling stuck with someone else because they're putting an end to it because they want to be with you. But they know that they're going to, it's like they're focusing on their money right now, Sagittarius. But I'm saying that they will be giving you an offer, but it's not that big offer just yet. They know they can't jump. They can't jump and just give you an offer. They're going to have to move really slow with you. See, Sagittarius, you could be dealing with another Sagittarius. I did skip it, sorry. You could be dealing with a Scorpio. But I feel like they know that they didn't do right by you. And this is why they're giving you the small offer first. Because they know they're going to have to start over with you. So they're coming out of being frustrated, but see, they're still isolating themselves. I told you, this is karma. It's like they're going through a cycle. It's wrapping up, guys. But they're feeling like, okay, even though you could have been dealing with a Virgo, they're afraid that the seeds they plant with you, they're not going to grow. Because yes, they want to balance things out, but possibly for some of you, they may have to give to someone else. That could be why they were worried about their money. You know, see, they can't move forward with you just yet because they're trying to make sure things on their side, basically it's okay, you know. They're going through a lesson. See, right now, it's like they're afraid that they're not going to have this new beginning with you. Okay. I told y'all, I'm trying to remember when. We've had this conversation before, Sagittarius. So, for some of you guys, this is not for everybody, so just hold on. For some of you, I am feeling like there might be a child involved in a situation with your person and someone else, right? But I could have sworn I told y'all before that somebody could have been questioning paternity, and that might be what it is because they may have to, you know, pay for a DNA test, or even if they feel like it's their child, they're going through, you know, the whole child support situation. But some states require that you take a DNA test. So for some of you, okay, I feel like somebody's going to be finding out that they're not the father. You know what I'm saying? It's something like that for some of you guys. See what I'm saying? The Emperor is giving me father energy. So, but I'm seeing the Emperor and the Empress. So this is definitely some type of soulmate situation, or it's a twin. But when it comes to you, they know your guard is up. And they want to give you that stable offer of security. But right now, it's like they're trying to get themselves together. Because this person could have taken a hit somewhere. See, they're back and forth. It's like they're trying to clear away obstacles, but they're still frustrated. I'm seeing this person's going to have the confidence to come towards you, but right now they're not listening to their intuition. Because they're unsure if they're going to be able to have love with you. They're unsure if the two of you can come back together. You could be dealing with a Gemini. I'm sorry if I said this or not, but Aries. Sorry, y'all. I'm kind of like in my little flow. But anyway. So they're coming out of being frustrated that they lost you. And I'm seeing that they're going to make a decision. Could be dealing with an Aquarius, but this person's losing hope. You know? See, look, the Hierophant landed right there next to the Hierophant. This is a twin. Alright, y'all. So twin flames, stand up, okay? This is a twin. I know y'all over it, but this energy is here. This person definitely, I feel like they want to marry you. They want to be in a commitment with you. Again, could be dealing with a Taurus, but they're saying that they're afraid you're not going to give them any type of energy. You're not going to give them another chance, and this is why they're not positive. See if they can have like a happy home with you. Because I feel like for some of you, this person could have married someone else, or they're in a relationship or some type of commitment with someone else, you know, but they're not happy in this home situation. And I do feel like they left you out in the cold. You know, they hurt you. This person definitely hurt you. And see, they regret it. Because this person is responsible for giving to someone else and or other people. See, it's money. They want to be with you, but there's somebody else there. And they're going to have to come back and tell you the truth about it. But they're afraid that they're not going to have a victory with you. So what are they doing? They watch you. I've been picking up on a lot of spying energy, keeping tabs on you because you're moving forward. See, this person's afraid, you know, to approach you. It's like they don't have the strength. But it's like 1 minute, this person's afraid that you're going to cut them off for good. That's why they don't have the strength to come towards you just yet. But then on the other hand, I see them wanting to reach out to say something to you. They're going to be very direct, very blunt. But at the end of the day, they're afraid that things may not improve unless they make a change. This sneaky behavior that they were doing in the past, they can't do it anymore. They can't. Sagittarius, Lord. Alright, we're making some type of breakthrough. Lord, y'all readings. I'm saying y'all like I'm not a Sagittarius rising, but whatever. So, let's see. It's like this person, they're not bringing any type of content to your life, any contentment to your life. You're not getting that, you know, happy energy. This person, they're not fulfilling you, but this was a lesson you had to go through. And you're realizing, look, they have me waiting around, and I'm too good, you know, to be sitting around staying stuck. So, at the end of the day, I'm seeing that you guys are undecided about, honestly, what exactly to do. Because for a lot of you, I'm telling you, this person, they don't want you to cut them off. But even though I see a lot of you guys moving forward, somewhere deep down, you really don't want to cut this person off. You really don't want to let them go because you already know that there's a connection here. And for some of you, I will say this. Maybe it's kind of like you're tired of this. You're trying to move on. But because of the connection, it's like you can't move forward. You get what I'm saying? It's like you're picking up on their energy. They're picking up on you. But you're tired of this person stabbing you in the back. You're over it. See? You don't see things improving at all. And you just want to just move on with your life and find someone else. See? You don't see yourself having a victory with them at all. Because this person moves slow. They've been moving really slow. But I'm seeing communication coming in. This could be a new opportunity coming in for you. But they're saying that you had to make a change. You know, I see. For a lot of you, it's like you wear this mask. You know, it's like you're moving on with your life. Your friends and family think that you're good. You're fine. But behind closed doors, this situation, it bothers you. It still bothers you. Sagittarius, your card just tried to jump out of my hand. I'm telling you, it bothers you. See? Because for some of you, you would like to have a new opportunity with them. But at the end of the day, you're coming out of being frustrated. And see, I told you, you're having the strength to move on. Because now I feel like the door is opening. There's another opportunity coming in for you. See? Wheel of Fortune, you're moving on. So by you guys putting your foot down, and even though for some of you it hurts because of the connection, you're like, there's someone else out there that can give me what it is that I want. But in the meantime, I'm going to, you know, continue to focus on me. Because see, I'm telling you, there's an offer coming. You have an offer, but you got to listen to your intuition. Clarify the moon. Okay, when it comes to this person, I do feel like you're looking at them like, they can't bring any type of stability into my life, and I'm tired of going through the nonsense. See, I'm tired of being in my head about it. I'm letting it go. I'm letting them go. I'm no longer taking the lead to entertain them because I don't see things turning around. Yeah, you guys are walking away from this person. So you have something really good coming in for you, Sagittarius. So for a lot of you, it doesn't necessarily have to just mainly be love. This could be something taking off with your career. This could be you healing from what this person did to you and or other people. But I'm telling you, by you moving forward, that was a part of your lesson. And so you're realizing, you know what? This isn't going to work out. That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.